show you how to do a half double crochet. Start with your loop. Put your hook through the loop, tighten it, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the while holding your tension. Now for half double crochet, you insert the hook into the second chain, yarn over, insert, yarn over. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, you pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over into the next chain, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And there's your that's your half double crochet. Now when you compare all 3, you can see the difference. You got your single crochet, your half double crochet, and your double crochet. Those are the 3 main stitches in crochet. And which one you choose depends on the pattern and then of course your preference.